Shopify store owners, I want to go over today how I was able to take an average order value from around $24 to $31.29 in a matter of just a week. Okay, so if we go back, and this is a store that we're currently running for a client, if we go back and January, the AOV is $24.99. And then in February, we started to increase it a little bit. Now it's $26.47, so it went up about $2. And then we just had a price implementation over these past 4 to 5 days. I think it was the 7th, so $31.29. But if I go 7th to the 10th, about 30, yeah. So let's say about the 5th to the 10th. Now it's sitting around, $30, $31. And I'm going to go over today all the things that I've done with this store to make sure that the average order value is increasing. Now, the other thing that you can see is this number, okay? If we go back, and that's the conversion rate. If we go back to January, our conversion rate was 1.69%, okay? 1.69, February, it was 4.05. So now that conversion value boosted, and I'm going to talk about how I increase that conversion rate as well. Okay. So over these days, here are the things that I've implemented. Okay, to raise this conversion rate to 4%, and obviously the average order value to $31.29. Okay, there's a lot that goes into this, but I just want to show you and tease to you what has happened. People are buying our 2-bottle bundle more than the 1-bottle bundle, and people are almost buying the 3-bottle bundle more than the 1. And even today, it's only 9 a.m. and they're at $400. They're probably going to hit almost $2,000 today. And if we go to what's currently working, people have spent more money on the 3 bottles today than the 2 bottles. And people have also spent more on the 2 bottles than the 1 bottle. People actually bought more shampoo and conditioner on the upsells. So then the 1 bottle too. So the upsell is even selling more than the 1 bottle. And how am I doing this? Okay, so we use a custom landing page through Zipify so that this obviously all comes together. And you can obviously use the same landing page orientation for your own e-com store, but this is what we're running. Okay, I'm going to go over some of the biggest behaviors here. First things first is the overall offer. Okay, urgency with the specificity of the 42% off. That 42% off is mostly on that 3-bottle bundle. That's why it makes sense. Okay, we start off with a picture of the 3 because we want to frame people into buying 3. Okay, I don't want to just have a picture of someone holding it here. Because why? Because I'll only be holding 1 bottle. That 1 bottle is going to keep my average order value very low. So I know it says here like a good customer review. Have the stars, retail price. It's got your offer here with the free delivery. You say $5, buy 1 bottle now. We're pitching this because they're thinking about how much that 1 bottle costs. Now, also, I'm hammering home here. If we go back to the 3 bottle, I'm also doing nice product images, talking about the value points, talking about results, the Chebe powder, the, reviews, the before and afters. All these are very good value pieces for my product images. And then we hit those objections of like the 100% natural, so suits all hair types for men and women so that objection is covered. And then every single one of these, we have like a review here. For every single point that we want to make, we have a nice customer review with a supporting image. And then every so often, we have a button where it's got that no risk money back guarantee. If you do check out one of my old videos, I talk about like how I 6x conversion rates. These are the things that I'm talking about, but I like to reiterate these things. Because it's all about, repetition and building that skill set. So 30-day supply, results guaranteed, no risk money back guarantee. You had the reviews here, the price chop again, okay, review. And this is where the AOV increases. The first thing that they're going to see here, and we push this, is on mobile, the first bundle that they see is the 3 bottles. Because now we want them to think that like, oh my God, like I can get 3 bottles for $41. Like 1 bottle is just $19.99. I want them to see the 3-bottle bundle first, so when they're scrolling on mobile, they're going to see the 3-bottle bundle first. And that's where the AOV booster comes from. Then the second one is the 2, and then the third one is the 1. And that is just because I'm framing people, because what resonated with them the most? That bottle, like the image of the 3 bottles. And then they're thinking, all right, fine, maybe I'll just grab 2. So at the least, my AOV is going to be over $29, and that's why the AOV right now is 31 something. Because I'm framing people into getting this, and at the least bit, they're going to get this. Because there's more value involved in this and this. And then I kind of talk about the owner, and then I talk about like this is like the secret ingredient, okay? It's all about like curiosity and having a unique mechanism here where I talk about that secret ingredient because I'm using the chebe powder, which is from Africa, which is like a cool angle. It's like, hey, like we use this one ingredient that no one else is using, and it's because of this and this and this and this. So, and then also, what do we have here? We have a picture of like 7 or 8 of them, framing people to buy more than one. And as long as they hit this buy bottle now, it's going to send them down to where they're going to be pushed at a 3, and then the 2, and then the 1, and then we have the FAQs here. Okay, that's the first part of how we increase the average order value. Second piece is this. It's Zipify OCU. So we go to Zipify. This is where we have upsells. Okay, this is already added an extra $2,100 in the store. Today's upsell revenue is $79 because people bought the shampoo and the conditioner. So the upsell conversion rate on our upsells, and this is our post-purchase one, is 4%, which could be a lot higher, and I'm still playing around with stuff, but I'm making extra money on my page views because it costs me about 90 cents a click. So if people are visiting the upsell page, I'm making an extra $2.35. Okay, so what happens is they buy a trigger product, which is like obviously going to be the hair oil, the 1 bundle, the 2 bundle, the 3 bundle, and then like the regular default product on Shopify. Okay, first upsell is, all right, cool, like you got this hair oil, like get the shampoo and conditioner. That's converting at 2%. And then our downsell, if they say no to this, then the downsell offer is like, all right, you know what, at least get this head and scalp massager. And that's not doing as well as I'd like. It does have a higher conversion rate. But at the same time, though, like even if the views were twice, like even if the views were at 756, my conversion rate would stay the same, but I would only make $280 because I'm just doubling this amount of views to this. So I don't think it would convert much more. Now, the next upsell that I want to change and I want to swap is this. So this is on the thank you page. So if people get to the thank you page where their order number is, they can then pick, you know, to get another bottle. But what I want to push here, I'm thinking, is another bundle of like, hey, you know what? Like get 2 bottles for this price and I can increase the AOV even more. So I'm going to play around with that because what it could do is this, right? You do 2 bottles right here, like, hey, get another 2 bottles. If you say no, at least get 1 bottle. And then it's like, okay, you know what? Like, get the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, no to that, get a discount on the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, thank you, page. Get the head and scalp massager. I'm going to try that variation, and then obviously I'll keep you guys posted on the results, but I feel like that's increased the AOV even more. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this brings a lot of perspective into your business right now, what you're doing for upsells, downsells, cross-sells, all that stuff. Now, you know, if you're an e-com store right now, you're trying to get these same results, you're trying to scale, you're trying to increase your AOV, and you don't have the time to do all this, then just click the link below in the description, and me and my 8-figure advertising team will have a chat with you. We'll do a consult. If you are a good fit, we'll move forward on the phone because that's how we roll. We don't do the whole kicking the tire down the road. I don't want tire kickers, so please don't book a call if you're not going to pay on the phone or you're going to give a bunch of objections that I don't want to hear. Because we get down to business, we get down to the nitty gritty. We want to do fulfillment. We want to focus on that. We need to do needle movers in your business to make you more money. So if that is you and you have at least 4 to 5K ready to invest in your brand and you want me and my team to obviously do this for you, then just click that link in the Calendly down below in the YouTube description and you can book a call for these next 24 hours. Thanks again for stopping by this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.